Looking for the best donut pans? In this video we look at some of the top 3 donut pans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Klemoo 2-pack donut baking pan. Pros: these colorful pans are high quality silicone. It's super simple to remove donuts without sticking. Unlike many other brands, these make full-size donuts. Cons: put flexible silicone pans on a cookie sheet before baking. Some customers noticed chemical smell to the pans. Bottom line: silicone pans have a bit of a learning curve, but they make removing homemade donuts super easy. Cleanup is a cinch, too. At number 2. Hehali 6-cavity silicone donut baking pan non-stick donut mold. Pros: use these pans to make full-size donuts that are easy to remove. Pans are just as easy to clean as other silicone pans on the market. Cons: pans may need a little cooking spray after repeated use. The silicone is a bit thinner than pricier sets. Bottom line: you can't beat the price of these silicone pans. If you want to try silicone and have a tight budget, these are the pans for you. At number 1. Wilton 6-cavity non-stick donut pans. Pros: sturdy metal pans that make 12 donuts for a great price. Donuts come out of the non-stick pans easily and cleanup is simple. Wilton is well known for making quality baking supplies, and these donut pans are no exception. Cons: pans don't come with advertised recipes, but they're easy to find online. Make sure to fill only halfway. Bottom line: many people love these pans because they're affordable, non-stick, and make it easy to bake great donuts at home. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.